Isaiah Dupree said, IDK dude, I think non-technical people can build apps with vibe coding tools. It's just if they wanted to. Yeah, 100%. So you can still build things even if you're not a technical person with vibe coding tools. It's just you're going to run into so many hiccups if you're trying to build anything that's relatively complex, that having that technical knowledge is going to make the process a lot smoother for you, right? So like if you ask a vibe coding tool, hey, can you make me a weather app, right? That's just really connecting like a front end to like a back end API that's able to get weather data. That's pretty straightforward. Or hey, can you make me a calculator app? Again, relatively straightforward. But once you start getting into more and more complex projects that require more and more technical depth, that's where AI starts to have more issues, because again, right, like it's not a solve all fix all solution. It's very, very powerful, and AI is very, very helpful, but it still has its limitations. And so you can use it to still kind of speed up the timeline of your project. It's just you have to know what to prompt it for. You have to know what needs fixing if something goes wrong, and then you have to know how to tell it to do set up specific things inside of your code so that your app is going to be secure. You're actually going to get the functionality that you want. You want things to look the way that you have, to match like the idea that you have in your head. So that's the primary thing. It's not that you can't do it if you're a non-technical founder. It's just going to be a lot more difficult.